my gosh, guys, like hailing really bad. I don't know if you can see it. We're under a tornado warning. It's like hailing, and oh my gosh. Sirens are going off. It's like hail. It's really bad. Mommy, catch one. It's like really bad. I don't want to get it. I want to get my head knocked off. Look, here you can see it. Right there. I want a piece.
There's big pieces out there. Look.
I'm pretty sure that's bouncing in the head. See those white things falling there? That's hail. I want it, Kelly.
Look at it.
Kelly, give me one. Kelly, give me one. I want to show one.
I ain't going out there and getting it.
Mommy, don't do it. No, Mama. You'll knock your head off. Well, I got one.
They're falling out. Look at that. Everybody's coming out from there. That's where the tornado siren just went off.
Look at these things. It's so weird.
Now they'll do that. They'll all pull off the storm. It'll hit up there. That's going to damage the car. Look at it.
Ow, they're hitting me.
Look, Caleb.
I'm scared.
What's getting there? The golf ball's out there.
It's going to hurt our car.
Well, we got insurance. I think it's bouncing on your window like crazy.
Mommy.
Golf ball's out.
Some of them, Caleb.
I want to go in.
Look at the ground.
I put this on YouTube.
It's going to hurt my roof.
Mommy. 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 Oh my gosh, guys, this is like so bad. I gotta go. Bye.